Let us continue our math tutorials for grade 7. So, sa module nyo dyan, sa module ng grade 7, meron dyan na, so what I can do. Determine which of the following algebraic expression is a polynomial. So, write P if it is a polynomial and N if it is not. So, to identify if the given algebraic expression is a polynomial or not a polynomial, mayroon tayong mga conditions. Number 1, condition is, titingnan nyo ang exponent. Exponent should be non-negative. So, hindi dapat negative ang exponent. Pag negative ang exponent dyan, magiging, hindi na yan matatawag na polynomial. So, kagaya ng number 1, i-check nyo, ano na yung exponent? So, for example, you have 4x raised to 2, the exponent is 2. So, it is positive or negative. Pag negative, that is non-polynomial. Kung positive, polynomial. Plus, the second term is 2x. Ano ang exponent ng x dire? That is positive 1. And the negative 8, okay, pag constant, automatically, ang exponent niyan is 0. So, meron bang negative exponent dyan? So, pag negative ang exponent, not a polynomial. So, make sure na lahat ng exponent sa polynomial natin or sa algebraic expression natin are positive para magiging polynomial siya. Number 2, condition is exponent should be integer, no fractional part. So, ang exponent niya naman, hindi siya negative, kag hindi siya dapat maging fractional or fractional part. Hindi pwede fraction sa exponent. Exponent lang ha, exponent. Okay, hindi siya fraction ang exponent. And then third, coefficient. Ano ang coefficient dito? So, for example, sa 4x squared, ang number sa kilid ng variable which is 4, amo nang ginatawag na coefficient. So, dapat real numbers siya. So, ano yung mga real numbers? Lahat ng mga numero. So, pwede siya fraction, pwede siya decimal, pwede siya whole number, pwede siya integer. So, ano tong, non-negative integers sa exponent? Pag non-negative integer, ano tong integer? Mga numbers na siya, counting numbers, or whole numbers, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, at saka yung negative numbers which is negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, so on and so forth. So, ano na siya mga integers natin. So, pag sinabing fraction or fractional part, 1/2, mag-exponent sa 1/2, so hindi na siya pwede sa polynomial. And the third condition na tandaan nyo is coefficient should be real numbers. So, dapat numero yung coefficient niya, yung katabi or tupad sang variable nyo. Ang variable, ang mga letters, ang siyang variables. Ang coefficient, yung number beside the or before the variable. Amo na siya ang coefficient. Ang exponent ng gatungtong sa variable nyo or above the variable, yung mga gagmay nga number. For example, number 2, 15. Kaya kagaya ng number 2 natin, 15w raised to 6 plus 4. Ang exponent dira is 6. So, amo na siya. So, condition to identify if it is a polynomial or not. Ang number 1, exponent should be non-negative. Dapat, tanan nga exponent niya positive. And number 2 condition, exponent should be integer or no fractional part. Ang exponent, dapat integer siya. Ano ang integer? Dapat siya 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so on and so forth. Pero, hindi siya pwede ang fraction sa exponent. And then, number 3, coefficient should be real numbers. So, real numbers siya dapat. Okay, number 1, 4x squared plus 2x minus 8. Check nyo kung ang exponent is tanan positive, nakapasa. May negative, may fractional ba na exponent? Wala. Okay, so, then that is a polynomial. Number 2, 15w raised to 8 plus 4. Okay, yung sa first term natin, 15w raised to 8, ang exponent dyan is 6, coefficient is 5. And then plus 4, 4 is constant. So, So, the exponent is positive. Walang fraction. Integer ang exponent. So, that is a polynomial. Number 3, 1 over x raised to 2 plus x raised to 7. So, ang x raised to 7, the variable is x. Ang 7 is the exponent. So, ang 7 is positive, check. How about the first term? 1 over x raised to 2. Kanang, pag sa denominator ang variable natin, i-convert yan natin into i-inverse. So, pag i-inverse mo yan, ang 1 over x raised to 2, equivalent yan siya sa x raised to negative 2. Okay? So, instead of writing 1 over x raised to 2, positive siya, pero ara siya sa denominator. No? So, i-rewrite natin yan, magiging x raised to negative 2. X raised to negative 2 plus x raised to 7. So, since 1 over x raised to 2, magiging x raised to negative 2, ang exponent niya is negative. So, that is not a polynomial. For number 4, quantity, kanang parenthesis ang pagbasa sa math is quantity b plus 6, or the sum of b plus 6 times quantity of b minus 6, or the difference of b and 6. Okay, quantity b plus 6 times quantity b minus 6 raised to negative 1. Ito, sa condition natin, no, dapat positive ang exponent. Pag negative, not a polynomial na siya. For number 5, 5f raised to 3 minus 4f raised to 2. So, check ang exponent, puro positive. So, that is a polynomial. Okay, letter B, classify these algebraic expressions which are polynomials as monomial. Pag sinabi mong monomial, iisang term lang yan. So, isa lang siya. Pag binomial naman, dalawang term. So, yung term natin sa polynomial, separated na yan siya ng plus and minus sign. So, may plus kag minus or positive, plus minus sign. So, amo nang pag-separate sang term sa polynomial. Pag trinomial naman, that is 3. Or multinomial. Ang multinomial naman is more than 3 or more. And according to the number of degrees. So, write your answer on the separate sheet of paper. Okay, number of degrees. Pag sinabi mong number of degrees, ano to ang pinaka-highest degree niya, no? Number 1, ano na siya man? Okay, negative 13g raised to 2 minus 16g minus, so hindi maklaro, I think that is minus 3 or 8. Okay, how many terms? So, since it is separated by plus and minus sign, ang term, bibiliangin natin. Ang negative dyan sa 13g squared, isa na siya ka term. Minus 16g, another term. Minus 3, another term yan. 3 is a constant. No? That is constant with the variable, the exponent is 0. Highest exponent yan is 0. Okay, so yung degree nito, degree, number of degree. So, 13g raised to 2, yung degree niya is 2. Pag degree is, that is the highest exponent. So, the degree of the polynomial is the highest degree of the terms. So, ang number 1, negative 13g raised to 2 minus 16g minus 3, the highest degree or the highest exponent, amo na siya ang degree. So, ang highest exponent is 2. So, ano na siya? 1, 2, 3, trinomial with in 2 degrees. Highest is 2 degrees. Number 2, we have 35r plus 28r squared minus 1, L squared r raised to 3 plus 7. So, pila ni ka terms? 35r, one term, plus another term is 28r squared, and another term is negative L squared R cubed, and another term is plus 7. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 terms lang tayo. 35R, first term. Positive 28R squared, second term. Negative L squared R cubed, third term. And the last term is positive 7. So, 4, pag 4, that is multinomial. And then, ang degree, highest exponent is 3. So, multinomial in degree 3. Number 3, negative 15p raised to 5 minus 11. So, negative 15p raised to 5 is the first term. The second term is negative 11. So, dalawa ka term. The degree is 5. Okay, negative 15p raised to 5 minus 11. That is a binomial, dalawang term, that is raised to, or in degree 5. So, binomial in degree 5, that is number 3. Number 4, 17 meters raised to 7 plus 12m. So, first term is 17m raised to 7, and another term is positive 12m. So, dalawang term, pag dalawa, that is binomial. Ang degree niya, which is 7, that is in degree 7. And number 5, 62. So, ilang term yun? Is it a polynomial? Yes, that is a polynomial or constant number. Yung in degree 0. So, 0 ang degree niya. The highest exponent is 0. That's it.